Good morning, students. Sai Ram. Today we shall begin with chapter number 7, Forms. In this chapter, we shall study about forms in MS Access. So children, what are forms? In general, form is a piece of paper to collect information such as the one we fill out at the bank or workplace or a school. Similarly, in MS Access, a form is a database object that we can use to enter, edit or display data from a table or a query or any data source. With an access form, we can see one record at a time, but in a table, we can see all the records at once. Forms allow users to enter custom information. Based on that information, perform a task. We can use forms to control access to data, such as which fields of data to be displayed. For example, certain users may not need to see all the fields in a table. Forms provide a window into the data and help to enter data accurately. So, this means that forms are used to create data entry in MS Access. Data can be inserted, updated, and deleted from a table using a form object. The design of form is an important aspect. We can create two basic types of forms: bound forms and unbound forms. Let us now understand what bound forms are. Bound forms are connected to some underlying data source such as a table, query, etc. Bound forms are to be filled out or used to enter or edit data in a database. Now let us look into unbound forms. Unbound forms are not connected to an underlying record or data source. Unbound forms could be dialog boxes, switchboards, or navigation forms. Now children, let us understand how to view a form in Access. Access provides three main views in which a form is displayed. Form view is used to enter or edit data. Design view is used to adjust the design of form. It gives more detailed view of the structure of form, like the header, detail, and footer sections for form. Layout view. It is a more visually oriented view than design view. It is used to change the look and feel of a form. It is also very useful view for setting the size of controls and changing their appearance. So children, out of these three views, layout view and design view are the two views in which we can make design changes to forms. Now let us see how to create a new form in Access using Form Wizard. The Form Wizard is an inbuilt feature in Microsoft Access 2007 which makes the form creation easy and fast. To create a form through Form Wizard, follow the steps. Select the table from the navigation pane. Click the Create tab on the ribbon. Click on More Forms and select Form Wizard option from the drop-down menu. The Form Wizard dialog box appears on the screen. Select the table or query on which the form is to be created from the Tables/Queries drop-down box. Select the fields in the available category that serve as the data source for your form. Transfer all the fields or selected fields from the available field box to selected field box by clicking on the corresponding buttons respectively. Click on Next button. In the next window, Form Wizard will be asking you to choose a layout for your form from the given 4 options. We have selected columnar layout. Click next to the next screen. Now select the appropriate style from the displayed list in which the form items are to be displayed. Select the paper style and click on Next. In the next screen, give a desired name to your form. Make sure that Open the Form to View or Enter Information radio button is selected. Click the Finish button and the new form will appear in Access Workspace as shown. So students, today we have learned about what are forms and how to create a form in Access using Form Wizard. We shall have a practical understanding of the same in our next class. Thank you.